Hello everyone, it's Flavia. Today I'll be showing you 3 different ways to draw eyes. Eyes can help describe and showcase the personality and emotion of your character. Materials that I will be using for this video are XS12 mechanical pencil, Sumo grip eraser, Pigma professional brush pen, Jelly Roll Stardust, Jelly Roll classic white, and Koi watercolor set. The first eye that I'll be drawing is a round eye. I like to use this style of eyes for creatures that seem more animal-like and distant, but still very cute. I start with a circular shape and create a swoop line for the top of the eye. I use a pencil to create a line. This line will show the direction of where the eye will be looking. This line will help me center the pupil and the iris when I begin inking it. For this eye, I will use line hatching to create depth. Once the ink has dried, I will add watercolors to give it life and use jelly rolls to add a bit of sparkle. The second eye for this tutorial is for a more serious or mature looking character. Notice that the eye shape is more squished and angular. To add depth in this eye, we will create lines echoing the pupil shape. These lines are short strokes that overlap throughout the iris. Make sure that these short strokes that you're making are more dense near the top of the eye where it is more shadowed due to the eyelid. And near the bottom of the eye, there should be less. Using watercolors, I start with a magenta color for the overall iris. I then add a darker blue at the top of the eye to help add dimension. To give this eye a little bit of shine, I also added a pop of bright pink just near the bottom. I then finish it off with jelly roll. The last eye that we will draw for this tutorial is perfect for a sad or worried character. This eye starts with a circle, which I will then add a slope to help mimic furrowing brows. To get the emotion of sad across, I'll be creating a huge pupil for this eye. For depth, I'll use straight lines that come out of the pupil and towards the edges of the iris. For this eye, I chose to simply use one shade. Here you can see I'm using a light blue. I then used jelly rolls to add sparkle to the eye to help make it glisten. Don't forget to add a teardrop or two. After all, this is the eye for a very sad character. Here's an example of how these 3 eyes will look like on my characters. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you have some new ideas on how you can draw eyes for your next characters. If you would like to see more of my artwork, please visit me on Instagram at catscanpuke. To learn more about the products used in this tutorial video, visit sakuraofamerica.com or on Instagram at sakuraofamerica. See you next time!